Okay, this is a very quick review and unboxing of this travel adapter with USB ports. This is a very good item to have if you are on the go, whether you're traveling for business or pleasure. It's just something that's easy to pack away and take with you wherever you go. Um, it's small, it's lightweight, and easy to use. So you have the USB plug, the Australian plug, UK, and Europe. And basically you slide the pieces out easily and it works like a charm. You have the input voltage of 100 to 25 volts. And we're gonna open it up and just see what's inside and how it works. So the first thing that you're gonna do is open it up. You see your instruction manual is pretty, to the point. Then you have your actual device, the actual adapter, which is super, like I say, it's small. It fits in the palm of your hand. And when you open it up, you can basically see where everything goes and how easy it is to use. Like I said, you have your European prong, US, Australian, and UK. And all you have to do is slide it up and the prong slides right out. Slide it back in, slide the next one out if you're gonna use that one. Slide this one easily back in. They just click and pop out. And then you click it back into place and click the next one out and you're good to go. I really love how easy it is to use this. Again, you have your USB ports and you also have the female section, but at the bottom you have a light that tells you when it's working. You have your USB, your USB 2, and you have the Type C, which is awesome because a lot of things are using Type C now. Basically, the front of this has all the ports that you use in reverse, so you can plug anything that you need to plug in and you're good to go. I love this adapter. I think it's super easy to use. It's lightweight. It's not going to take up much space. It doesn't take much brain power. It's user friendly, and it doesn't even really heat up or anything. This is a really good investment if you're traveling a lot. I usually like to tell people to put it right back into the little dust case, because you can put this in your box and keep it in there for when you're traveling. Just put it back in the box, store it away, put it in your bag or your carry-on, and you're good to go. You don't have to worry about any extra bulky equipment when you're on the go. This is the small, simple solution to your charging needs. I definitely suggest this. I love it, and I give it a thumbs up. It's perfect. Bye.